Hello, Eduardo. We are glad to welcome you at the Blue Coders offices. So today we meet together for speak about the Vuejs Meetup. Will be on April 11 in the same office. So Eduardo, could you briefly introduce yourself, please?
Yes, nice to meet you, Elsa. My name is Eduardo. I'm part of the core team in Vuejs, and I also organize the meetup Vuejs Paris since some time already. And as you said, we are very happy to be welcomed by Blue Colors the 11th of April.
So Eduardo, what is the Vuejs Meetup about?
The Vuejs Meetup is about gathering the people who is in Paris to talk about Vuejs, no matter where they come from or what is their level, because sometimes we do talks in English or full sessions in English. Most of them are in French, of course, because we're in Paris. But we try to open the community so everybody can participate and come and assist.
So Eduardo, why and when did you set up this meetup group?
I started the meetup around I think February 2016. And I started it because I was very excited about using Vuejs, and there was no community around, or it was very small. And I was thinking about, hey, let's give this a try. Let's see if there is more people in Paris interested in this topic and see how it goes. And it actually went pretty well because the community started growing quite quickly. And until now, we have organized 13 meetups, so it's not that much compared to other meetups. So for a specific framework meetup, is actually quite nice. Yeah.
How often do you meet?
We try to meet every single month, but it's quite difficult. So I would say it's more around every 2 months. We try to organize a new meetup.
So, and okay, thank you, Eduardo. And how long have you been involved in this area?
I started using Vue around, I think it was June in 2015, but I got involved, I think, around October or November. That's when I started seeing a bit how the community was, and then in 2016 I decided to create the community.
So Eduardo, what is the background of people who participate in this Vuejs meetup?
So the people participating is mostly developers in Paris, but I've seen developers that do back-end, front-end as well, full stack, but also sometimes some more artistic developers, creative developers as we call them, and some managers as well that are looking to change their old stacks into newer ones, and they want to discover what is Vuejs about, what is the people like, and what do they talk about.
Okay, Eduardo, so what are the speakers and talks for the next Vuejs meetup?
So the next Vuejs meetup, the 11th of April, I have two speakers. Guillaume Chaud, which is another core team member of Vuejs, and Romain Liénard, which is a front-end lead developer. And we're very excited to co-organize this meetup with you, because we think that it helps the meetup to get a better quality content, the videos, the organization, the visibility. And I'm also curious about what is the incentive behind this, and what impact do you expect to have on the community by helping organize these tech meetups?
Thank you for your question, Eduardo. So Blue Coders intends to provide an experience to developers. To best do our job, we understood how important it's to be close to the users and be aware of new technologies. So we realized that meeting are a way to gather all developers, and in order for us to better understand what they want, we have to think out of the box and come closer to them. So what users like is feeling part of communities and spirit of sharing. So we ourselves don't know how to create content on every technology. So let's delegate that to existing communities that offer quality content. And Blue Coders take action to boost their exposure by hosting and sponsoring their meetup. And we encourage other players like tech startup, for example, to take part alongside us to those meetings. Thank you for your time, Eduardo, and thank you for coming at Blue Coders offices.
Thank you for co-organizing this meetup with us, and see you the 11th of April for the next Vuejs meetup.